Hi, today I'm for the OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should find the power key button and press and hold it for a few seconds. And if you see here the Google Assistant, if Google Assistant is activated by press and hold the power key button, you could use power key button and volume up button together to use the power off menu, but also you could turn off the Google Assistant option to unlink Google Assistant from the power key. And to do that, you should open the settings, then scroll down to the additional settings, tap the power button, click press and hold power key and switch voice assistant to power menu. And now by press and hold to the power key, you will see the power off menu, and just to turn off your device you should slide and to the down to power off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.